In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete pages in WordPress. So I'm logged into my dashboard. So I'm going to go over here to Pages and just click on All Pages. Okay, so this brings us to all the pages that are currently on the website. So I don't need this privacy policy or sample page, so I'm going to go ahead and delete both of those. So if you hover over each page, you'll get the option of trash. So just click on trash, and that moves that page to the trash folder. And I'm going to do the same for the sample page. So click on trash again. Okay, so both those pages have been moved to the trash. And what we need to do now is clean out the trash folder to delete them permanently. So we're going to go right up here to trash and click on that. And then you can see both the pages are there. So we'll click them both and go over here to empty trash and click that. Okay, so it says 2 pages have been permanently deleted. And then if we go back here to all, it takes us back to all the pages that are currently on our website. Okay, I hope that this video helps you learn how to delete pages in WordPress.